Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. This script will guide you through the process of integrating your merchant account with Shopify after successfully logging in. Follow the steps below to configure your settings and start synchronizing your data. After the user successfully logs in, proceed to the next step. Select a merchant to start your business. Create a link to eBay by following the instructions in your dashboard. Click on Sales Channel. Click on New Channel. Click on Shopify. Provide your store with a name. Fill in the domain name, API key, and API secret. After the test is successful, you can proceed to submit. Click on Schedule Setting to enter the data transmission configuration page. Click Edit to modify settings. We now support downloading orders, synchronizing outbound information, synchronizing inventory to Shopify. Select the functions you want us to sync for you. Choose the frequency of synchronization. Shopify supports filtering orders based on multiple conditions such as fulfillment, service, country, and tag. When synchronizing inventory, you need to select a Shopify location. After the settings are configured successfully, we will synchronize the data based on the information you provided. Follow these steps to ensure your Shopify store is properly integrated and configured for synchronization. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section or contact support for assistance. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.